Yo ho! Ahoy me mateys! My name is Papa Augustus Silverstein, head chef of the USS Garbanzo Bean, and I'm here today with my assistant, Mrs. Bales, and welcome to Cooking with Papa Kleb and Bales. Well, Bales and I would like to welcome you to our kitchen, where today we are going to be cooking some tacos. Now, I decided that we needed to do this because a couple of months ago, the Bales and I, we filmed a taco eating competition. Now, a lot of people were very unhappy with the results of the video. A lot of people said that the Bales didn't have a fair chance to understand what was going on and that we had to do a redo. And so I figured Bales and I would cook up some more tacos and we could do kind of like a Super Bowl type. The Super Bowl's tomorrow, by the way. We do like, whoa! We do like a Super Bowl type tutorial. And if you want to cook these tacos, I can show you how to do it at home, DIY style, Kleb and Bales style. Where are you? There you go. Bales, I could really use your help. And I know that you are just as good of a chef, if not 20,000 times better than I am. So, without any further ado, let's get started. I don't know. And now for the ingredients. Beef, cheese, beer, vegetables, these things. Now we went with the white corn ones, however you can go with the yellow corn ones or the flour ones. It's really up to your Bales. So go ahead, just stop right now, ask your Bales what she prefers, and then just go with that. And then last, but certainly not least, Bales, can you help me with this one? What's the final ingredient? Come on, you're pulling my leg here. What's the final ingredient? You know, I want to pull your leg. Oh, see? I pulled your leg and you gave me the final ingredient, which is the Taco Gym Association and Learning Center Taco Seasoning Mix. Oh wait, I was supposed to throw it over there. Step 1, skillet on. Turn heat on medium. I'm gonna use butter because it's a cast iron skillet. When you're ready, slap the beef on. If you have a Bales, she can't have taco seasoning. So save some extra beef for her, slap it in a different pot. Do this with the beef until it turns brown. If she wishes, allow your Bales to cook her own meat. Once the meat looks like this, whoa. Now once the meat's almost completely brown, you can go ahead and add your Taco Gym Association and Learning Center style seasoning. That's 472,000. Go ahead and grab your cilantro, rinse it off under the water, and then chop it up into a bunch of small tea kettle sized pieces. From here, we're gonna do something similar with our bad boy onion. Now I'm gonna cut the ends off to make it easier. I wanna peel off the outside layer, then I'm just gonna get chopping. Go ahead, tell me I don't know what I'm doing, I dare you. Step 39. Whip out 2 bowls, one for Bales, one for Chef Taco Papa. Whip out the corn tortillas, one for Bales. And if you really want to be a baller, you can put yours upside down. From here, you can load up the meat. Then we got the Bales' meat, which is kind of overcooked. 1, because she doesn't care. 2, because I'm stupid. And 3, because look at this cute face. You want that to get food poisoning? Do you want there to be any chance? Now your Bales can't have any, but to finish up, you can top it off with some onions and cilantro. I probably said that so wrong and offended like 9,520 people. Sorry. One Bales, 1 Taco Papasaurus, 1 bottle of fire sauce, 2 tacos. Dump the entire bottle on my taco. No. She cheated, you see that? You need to be obedient, Bales. And so, without any further ado, let's get this rematch on the road. What do you think? You think you're gonna win? She thinks so, I don't know. Those jowls are looking pretty convincing though. All right, on your marks, get set, shoot nice, go, get it. All right, she started. You see that? I gave her a head start. Go! That was a lot of fire sauce. I think Belle's got it. I think she might have won. I think she might have won. She's like, don't worry, dude, I'll clean up your mess. Do you want more? Here, I'll give you a piece of mine. You can't have taco sauce, but you can have a little bit. Just a little bit. I think that the Bells beat me. I really do. I think she beat me. So it's currently tied 1-1. One Papa Kleb and one of the Mrs. Bells. What do you think, Bells? We gotta find out who the taco eating champion really is. And I think we're gonna do that in a future episode.